So we're jogging this morning, and look who decided to join me. Gifty decided to join me on our jogging session because that's how he found me anyway. So yeah, so nice and refreshing because at least the sun is not in the way today. It's nice and cloudy, fresh air. Look at the nice surroundings. Stellenbosch is very beautiful, one thing I must say. Stellenbosch is very beautiful. I just love the greeniness, the nature. That's what I love. So yeah, man. Just wanted to highlight y'all on this beautiful Monday morning. Have yourself a fabulous one, my people. Bye. Say bye.